What up, y'all? It is your boy Zach here. Most favorite, most number one electrical keyboard fan. Most favorite, most number one electrical lightning bolt fan. In this video, just this quick video, real quick. So before I get into this, hashtag don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video with your friends, families, students, and teachers, so that we can make it easier for them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this video is gonna be about YouTube. So before I get into this, hashtag don't forget to like and sorry about that. Alright, now here we go. Let's get straight into this. I'm just stuttering. Well, good talk. It's okay, you're good. Okay, so WaterFanaticWX Productions posted a video called YouTube Took Down My Video. Yeah. And I commented on that video. And WaterFanaticWX Productions made a video before that one. It was called like some status report or something. And YouTube reported it, and they said it was a harmful and a dangerous act. And that video had no harmful stuff in it. That video had no dangerous acts in it. YouTube, come on. You know better than this. You know better than this. I made a video called, basically it's just YouTube, leave WaterFanatic Productions alone. Please. Well, don't you listen? Just think about what you've done, YouTube. Think about what you've done. And think about that video. And if you took down that video, then it's all your fault, YouTube. It's all your fault. WaterFanaticWX Productions, make that status video again. Make that video again. But if YouTube takes it down again, then go to feedback on YouTube and try to say this: you took down my video. Why did you do this? Put it back online, so that way people can watch it. But if YouTube does not reply back, I will send YouTube to my lightning grave, and I will lightning strike them. So leave WaterFanaticWX Productions alone. Please, YouTube. You took down that status video for no reason. YouTube, leave him alone. Now, get out of his life. If you don't, and it's like, that's not how we start 2021. That kid was mad too. Saying all these crazy stuff about YouTube. YouTube, leave him alone, please. That's all I ask. Because if you don't leave him alone, I will lightning strike you, YouTube. You know, I love you all. Credits, comments, and outro. Love you all, and peace.